Hey kids! Let's learn indoor and outdoor activities with weather. Are you ready? Let's learn indoor and outdoor activities. Are you ready? This is Tommy the cat. Tommy loves having fun inside and outside. Let's explore together.
Reading is fun. Indoor activities can be calm and cozy. Books help us learn new things.
Color and draw. Kick the ball. Look at the kite fly high.
Plants need water and sunshine.
Let's sing together. Read and draw inside the house. Play outdoors and run around. Fly a kite up in the sky. Watch the little birds fly by. Indoor, outdoor, fun each day. Learn and laugh and jump and play. Now, kids, what do you like more? Indoor fun or outdoor play? Great job, kids! Tommy loved playing with you. Great job! Now let's learn about different kinds of weather. Kids, let's learn about weather. Are you ready? This is Tommy the cat. Tommy sees different weather every day. Let's explore weather together. It's sunny. Let's play outside.
It's rainy. Don't forget the umbrella. Oh! It's windy. Hold your hat. It's snowy. Let's build a snowman. It's cloudy. Ho-ho!
Sunny, sunny, bright and warm. Rainy, rainy, stormy, storm. Windy, windy, blow so fast. Snowy, snowy, snow will last. Cloudy sky up high above. Weather changes that we love. Now, kids, what's the weather today? Sunny? Rainy? Sunny! Great job, kids! Tommy loved learning weather with you. Amazing learning today. Tommy loved playing indoors and outdoors with you. See you next time!